also, what they do and what everyone does is it's basically you end up with a minivan. I always say this, where they go, we need you to have great performance, but also you need to be economical. You need to get great mileage, and you got to be sporty, but you have room for 8. Yeah. And you got to look great, but you got to be super thrifty too. And it's like what you end up with is a fucking Pontiac Aztek of comedy. You end up with nothing. You cannot be all things to all people. You're nothing to nobody. You're just fucking pick a path and go down that path. Hopefully people will dig what you're doing. If they catch you trying to please people in comedy, you're fucked. Like, if you ever stop and go, I wonder what these people want out of me, you're ruined now. And I don't know that anybody, a composer, comedian, poet, artist, did anyone ever go, I wonder what painting people want to see? Yeah. I wonder what poem people want to hear. I mean, all the greats, and whether it's Lenny Bruce or Beethoven or whoever, they just went, I'm going to create. They certainly didn't call a committee of untalented people to gather around them and help them paint. Yeah. I don't know why they think this is going to work.
Yeah, and the notes they give me, they'll be like, sometimes you're dark, you're too dark. Sometimes it's dark for the sake of being dark is when I get a lot. And I would just say, listen, I've gotten these notes since my first open mic. And I've ignored them to get to where I am today. I just didn't listen to anybody to get here. Why should I start listening to you now?
Yeah, alienate the core. That's what I say. By the way, all you guys listening, suck my balls. I'm a fart hat on your heads. You're all weak and worthless.